very warm welcome to all of you in the session. And your Anubha ma'am is back with the one more motivation session. And trust me, this is going to be very important. And I am among those people who never used to wake up on time or never used to think about waking up early. But nowadays I'm feeling that kind of a change in my life, feeling more positivity because I'm that kind of a person. If I don't believe in something, I don't do it. So I'm doing it right now because I've started following it and I kind of seeing some kind of a change in myself. So students, your Anubha ma'am is going to tell you today that what are the possible good reasons so that you should wake up at 5 o'clock, maybe earlier than that, because this is very much important. And let me help you to make this thing understandable to you. So are you all ready to know about all of this thing? I'm sure you are, and I'm sure you're super excited to learn all the amazing things with your master teachers. So I hope you have already liked the video if you haven't done it till now, and support this channel equally because we have just made it for all of you who needed the communication in complete English. So subscribe to the channel and share it to the maximum people. All right, before starting, just some tips I'll give it quickly, that how online education is the one platform which is trying to solve all your problems. Definitely I'm talking about Vedantu here, that at this platform all of your doubts can get solved whenever you face difficulty in any of the chapter, in any of the line, in any of the question that I'm not able to get some clarity about the same. All of your doubts can get solved here in all the live classes with the help of master teachers, class teachers who also we have in the session, and we have our doubt solving app also. So each and every doubt of yours can get solved. After each and every session, you can download notes so that whenever you write it properly in the exams, you can definitely get full marks. And teacher are like, where should I cut any mark? You write it so beautifully. Test and assignment to see the progress in yourself, that after every 15 days we have a test, and after every session we give you assignment, and after every chapter also, so that we make sure that you're learning and you're doing your work and assignments. All the preparation of competitive exams you can do at this platform, be it IIT, NEET, be it your JSTSC, NTSC, Olympiad, all the possible exams. You can choose your schedule also, students. It's like making your life so much easier. Now you don't have to think that I can't attend the classes just because my timing is not able to match with my schedule. You can choose your timing, you can choose your language like this platform also. Isn't it amazing? So all your problems can get solved with extra bonuses, that is unlimited live classes at Vedantu. You can even attend 7 classes if you're free, 8 classes. You can attend 2 classes according to your comfort. All micro courses and crash courses. Micro courses are chapter based courses. So it's like if you have difficulty, if you're feeling difficulty in one of the particular chapter and you're struggling with the same, you can attend that micro course as many times as you want. Crash course for quick revision, performance report after every session, so that you and we make sure that you should know how much you're learning, how much good job you're doing, how much attentive you are throughout the session. Isn't it amazing? And as I told you, personalized attention by your master teacher and all the class teachers present in the session to help you to solve your doubts and your queries as well. And just you have to follow 2 things. One is you have to visit the website or a link called as vtnt.in/ytpro, and code is AGE, Anubha Gaur English Pro. It's like P is missing here somehow. AGE Pro, Anubha Gaur English, which is this platform, and Pro. So how to avail all the offers? You have to select your grade after visiting the link. You have to select your target, CBSE, ICSE or Maharashtra board, and you have to click on get subscription here. Then you can choose your subscription for 1 month, 3 months, and then 6 months. Okay, 6 months will be maximum beneficial because you'll get the maximum discount, with like a duration, and you'll be like a long-term student with Vedantu. For 6 months, you're just paying 1,629 rupees per month, which I don't think is very much. And all the English, SST, mathematics, biology, physics, chemistry, you can study each and everything over there with all the best possibilities which I told you. So much of amazing GIFs, so much of amazing quiz we have throughout the session. Do not forget to apply this code, okay, AGE Pro, because then only you can avail the maximum offer to get the course in just 1629 for a month. For 3 months, you will pay 1983 per month if you'll apply the coupon code AGEPRO for 1 month, just to see how things work. I hope it will definitely work out for all of you also. So if you'll apply the coupon code, the course you will get for 2294, which were already on some discount. I hope all the information is super clear in your mind. I really wanted to tell you so that you can extract the maximum benefit out of Vedantu, and you can also become a proud Vedan like we all are. Two things which is super important. Okay, students, now ma'am will take you to the world. Please open all your notes. Let's go to a world of imagination. That ma'am, what will happen if we'll wake up at 5 o'clock? I'll tell you all the reasons that how can waking up at 5 o'clock will change your life positively. Let's talk about the same. And how many of you, do let me know, are among those people who are like, as soon as your alarm started snoozing, you're like, oh, someone please close it, someone please switch it off. I don't want to hear that, because at the time of morning, if you're not a morning person, you will start feeling so lazy. I don't want to wake up. Yes, you are struggling with the same. Don't worry, because I told you in the initially also, I was among those people only. So why 5 a.m. is important and why we should bring this kind of a change in our life? It will be difficult for a small period of time. We won't feel like waking up, but trust me, you can develop this habit by continue doing it. First, it will be difficult, then it will be like giving you motivation. You will feel such a positive change that after a few days you're like, yes, I want to wake up because I'm feeling so much of positivity. I'm feeling so much of good vibes, happy vibes in myself. So why not I should do that? So I'll tell you all the benefit. You know what? 5 a.m. is also the time where most of the legends wakes up. If I talk about our Sir Abdul Kalam also, he used to wake up by 4 a.m. okay, 4 to 5 a.m. And why? Because he used to tell us that 5 a.m. is a time, if you wake up, you will get the maximum productivity and you can think about all of your day, how to manage it properly. You can read good books, you can manage your time, you can check your mails if you're working, you can give your time to your study if you will plan in such a way. So this is a time where most of the successful people and so many CEOs also wakes up. I'm not talking about just by words, but I have so much of figures also, students. Be it talking about all the influential people like Michelle Obama. If I talk about Apple CEO, it's like Tim Cook. PepsiCo CEO, that's our Indira Nooyi. We have other CEOs also. All of the people are saying the same thing, that waking up early is changed our life, and that's how we are so much productive and we can manage our work. So isn't it amazing? 5 a.m. is also the hours of silence and focus. You will agree with the same. The vibes are so good, happy environment, birds will be chirping, and sun maybe just rising or just at the dawn, and you'll be like, such a happy environment. You'll be able to focus more on your studies. Trust me, there is a saying that 5:15 is the best time to get the maximum productivity. Just a number that I can tell you. And how come silence will help you to give more and more focus and will definitely boost your creativity? If you'll start waking up early, you will see that your mind will become more creative and giving you all the good kind of a thoughts, creative kind of a thoughts. You will be able to think in a good way, in a positive way. You will be able to introspect yourself in a better way, that yes, I can achieve anything which I was thinking earlier that I couldn't do it. So if you want more focus, if you want more productivity, if you want all the good vibes around yourself, if you want to manage your day properly. Trust me, the day I started waking up early, I wonder at times how come I have so much of time in a day, because earlier I was like, I am not able to have that much of time, I'm not able to manage my work, and at the day ends I'll be like this, not in a good vibe, not so happy because of this thing that I was not able to manage my day properly. And now I'm so happy, I'm so positive. So, students, please rise and shine just like the sun, because it will help you to get more confidence, to get all the positive vibes, to feel more motivated, and you will be having more and more time on your self development. You can read good books, you can study all the subject which you used to find difficult, because if you study it at that moment of time, your mind will be more open after that sleep. You might not be struggling which you used to struggle before. And do exercise also, it will also kind of give you more positivity. So will you do it? And it will definitely help you to nurture yourself, because I tell you, self nurturing is very, very much important. Then only you will be able to focus more on your life, not only about studying, but being more like a good person, happy person, more creative person, like this, and who can give others so much of beautiful things also. And most important task will be done before the day starts. Isn't it amazing? And it's like, if you go to school, you will feel like, okay, I'm so ahead with so many people because I have already completed so much of task. Isn't it amazing? So yes, you all can do it. Yes, waking up early is so beautiful and so good. And trust me, there's a study that from past 10 years, there is a group of scientists, there are a group of researchers who are working on the people who used to wake up at around 5 a.m. and the ones who used to wake up until 11 a.m. And the productivity of those people who wakes up at 5 a.m. is around 71%, and around like until 11 a.m. is just 36%. So it's like figures which ma'am is telling. So I hope you will go at least by figures. Try to bring some positive change in your life, and you will be very much successful, because now you know how to do multitasking. You can focus more on your hobbies also. Just like if you want to give your time to drawings, paintings, piano classes, and everything, you'll be able to manage in a good way. So students, make it happen. I really want to see that in the comment section, that ma'am, yes, we will make it happen. I want this thing in the comment section. We will definitely do it, and we will see that how it is bringing so much of positive change in our life. So do that, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it to your friends, because it's important. Select your grade, select your board, and get subscription of Vedantu also for 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months, to be with all the master teachers in this beautiful journey of your class, and make it happen. Make it happen, students. You can definitely do it, and you will pass with maximum possible good marks, that I can say. Okay, so 2 things you have to do: visit the link, apply the coupon code, that is AGEPRO. And thank you so much for watching. As I told you, you can reach out to me on my email ID also. Hope you have liked it. Hope that you'll come again and see all the beautiful videos that we all are doing. And I'll meet you again. Until then, take care of yourself. Please stay safe. Please stay at your home. Bye-bye.